A little bird with broken wing sings a song of hurting. Rain falls soft upon the ground, washing tears that make no sound. A shadow hides behind the sun, daylight almost undone. Empty swings set in the breeze, whispering